Facebook. This is an update in Seneca Rock, West Virginia. We just cut out a big hunk of that log. We're going to get the rest of these logs out today instead. It's been pretty cold here. It's about, I don't know, 40 degrees, maybe lower. Temperature's really dropping again on us. We had a bad ice storm come through. Put us down for a day or so, but we're getting the rest of this log cut out right here. We got Randy in there on the saw. Say hi to everybody, Randy.
Yeah.
Any women that like Randy, I've got his phone number. Just let me know and I'll send it to you. A lot of people use chainsaws on these houses. A lot of the older houses you can use chainsaw and stuff because you don't have metal. But a lot of times if you take your chainsaw and you start cutting down through it, you'll hit the old nails in it. So that's why I prefer using Sawzalls. It takes a little bit more time, but it doesn't tear up my blades. So let me show you a little bit more of the house there. We're getting it going. It's actually starting to snow on us again. A little bit. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's little snowflakes starting to come down on us. But there it is. Hope y'all like it. Please share my videos. Y'all have a good one. Bye.